Let's get into some of the specs of the 100 watt. Like mentioned earlier, this is a cob light or a chip on board light. These types of lights actually have become very popular over the last few years. And not to get too technical, these lights just use multiple LED light chips, typically 9 or more, and they're bonded together to form a single module. Since the individual LEDs used in a cob are chips, they can be mounted like this and take up less space and have the highest potential of power when you turn it on. So when you turn on the 100 watt, it appears like more like a large lighting panel. Your lighting pulls more quality from your camera, and so lighting is important. The GVM-100 watt LED video light kit with the lantern softbox is designed for advanced video creators and photographers. The kit itself includes a light stand and a softbox and a versatile light source with a daylight color temperature from 3200 Kelvin to 5600 Kelvin that blends in seamlessly when shooting outdoors or in any situation where daylight balanced light fixtures are used. The 100 watt also has a beam spread option for selective lighting or wide coverage, while it's also dimmable from 0 to 99%. This light has a Bowens front accessory mount, which is one of my favorite features about the light. So you can use different diffusers, even different brands if you come around it, and change the different diffusion that's coming from the light itself. It's a pretty universal mount when it comes to lights like these. The light has an impressive output that provides a super high brightness and a stable output that is close to natural light, making it super ideal for creating content. Another cool feature about this light is it has the ability to connect to your phone via Wi-Fi, and so you can literally turn it off and on from your phone. You can change the brightness, the temperature, dial in your settings and things like that, all on your phone, making it super cool for solo creators. And by the way, let me know if you're a solo creator down in the comments below. Nonetheless, the Wi-Fi feature, super cool, I love it. The light also has an intentional cooling system because it has a built-in quiet electronic fan cooling the system effectively and accomplishes heat dispensation, which lengthens the lifetime of this LED light. The lantern that comes in the kit is super easy to set up and install. I love how you can just push down, it sets up, and then even to break down, it's just as easy. And more than anything, just produces a super cool cinematic soft light and is awesome not only just for videos, but for photography as well. All in all, this is definitely my favorite light for YouTube videos and thumbnail shoots. It really gives you that professional cinematic and flattering look you hope to get with the other lights on the market. I've used them all, trust me. I've used ring lights, I've used panel lights, other softbox lights, and although they all have their own personal place and specific setups and use cases, this light for your main source of light and your key light is 100% the way to go.